This is my homemade launch controller that can use a 12-volt battery and have the power to launch clustered engines. It has an arming switch, a push button to launch with an indicator LED. It is powered here, which goes back to my battery booster. I used those sort of clips to make the alligator clips hold on a little better. Disconnects from the line that will go to the igniters themselves. Clips onto some sort of pigtail that can be connected to 3 clustered motors, and those clips can also hook onto single clips. I got all this stuff on Amazon for cheap. I actually had some of these things laying around, so if you do this sort of electrical stuff, it might even be household materials.